I'm Alexis, I'm French. Yeah, today we are doing one particular classic French recipe, which is a croissant. And I know for vegan, having croissant is almost next to impossible. So I have developed a very simple recipe that makes, delicious croissant. You can also make like pain au chocolat, and you can do like a cooked croissant if you want to, but it's that simple and it's super easy and delicious. So hi, my name is Alexis Gauthier. I'm a French chef here in London. I've got a restaurant in Soho, which is called Gauthier Soho. It's a delicious French restaurant. Everybody should go and try it. I started cooking 25 years ago as a traditional French chef. I've cooked with animals, plenty of animals. Cooked not with them, but I've cooked them. So beef, meat, you can think of plenty of fish, crustacea. Until the day I realized that I had been overindulging on that, and I decided to become a vegan. Not for myself, but for the animals themselves, because I decided that surely we didn't come on this planet to be eating other living species. So I decided to become a vegan, and I've stopped from one day to the other. It wasn't hard at all, actually. And in my restaurant, I started to introduce a lot of vegan dishes. I'm trying to rethink my entire food knowledge and rewrite all the rules of cooking and eating with a vegan perspective. And that's really exciting.
Okay. It's sweet, it's naughty, it's indulgent. It just makes me feel good.
Delicious croissant. You can also make like pain au chocolat, and you can do like a cooked croissant if you want to, but it's easy and delicious.